Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy. I just wanted to show you, I'm hosting a tea party for my preschool class today, and it's so cute. I thought I just needed to share it. And I just wanted to show you a couple of the fun things we're going to be doing. Of course, a tea party needs tea, so we're going to be using apple juice in our teacups, which looks kind of like tea, and I think the kids will love it. These little glasses look like they're just teeny tiny mugs. I think they're so cute, but they're really glass, so it's going to feel like a tea party. And we also have these little sandwiches, which are actually peanut butter sandwiches cut out with a flour cookie cutter. And I put just a little candy on the top just to make them look like a flower. And we have little cupcakes with sprinkles, which are always fun. it's kind of a Beauty and the Beast theme, so I made like a little centerpiece and a little book page banner runner out of an old book that I had. We have a little Be Our Guest sign. I also took some doilies and put them over a piece of twine and added some letters, so it says Tea Party. And we're also going to make some crafts. I'll show you those. So there's this little teapot that rocks so that the kids can pour tea after they do it, which I think is super cute. We're going to make this from Beauty and the Beast, and the kids are going to glue on the flower petals. We're also going to make an enchanted mirror. Cute, right? It's just a paper plate with some jewel stickers, some tin foil to look like a reflection, and a popsicle stick. We're also going to make crowns. I have a little boy coming too, so we're going to have prince and princess crowns. Everybody can make whatever they want. And for our table, we're going to make flowers for our tea party. Aren't they cute? And every child is going to have their own picture on it. And then when the kids leave, they are going to get a "You are terrific. Thanks for coming to my party favor." Isn't it so cute? I know. As a mom of boys, this is like pretty fun to me. All right. I wish you could all join me for my tea party, but I'll let you know how it goes. Talk soon. Bye.